Vivo Y02s. And this phone is priced at 6,499. And right now, isi-share ko sa inyo ang akin first experience dito and unboxing. And probably I'll be telling you what are the things to expect dito sa phone na ito. Stay with me. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now, i-unbox muna natin tong Vivo Y02s and I kinda miss this blade here sa aking channel. So lalabas lang natin and of course, bagong-bago pa siya. Fresh na fresh, i-unbox natin here sa inyong harapan. Okay, so slice off lang natin para malinis. Ayan. So, ayan, natanggal na natin. And, of course, meron pa siyang NT-seal pa dito sa ilalim. So, itong Vivo Y02s is a budget range na bagong labas ni Vivo. And I believe na this would be perfect sa mga taong on the go and like a very stylish na phone. And kita natin, I have dito is the vibrant blue color. And kita natin na ang kanyang camera module is dalawa. So, expect this is a dual camera. So, ilalabas ko lang yung phone para makita natin ang ganda nito phone. Wow! Honestly, the color is great. And kita natin pag tinaman ng ilaw, medyo nagkukunting gradient siya. No? And parang meron siyang matte finish sa likod. And medyo sparkly siya sa likod. We have the Vivo logo sa ilalim. Taking a quick look dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim may loudspeaker, Type-C port, kanyang microphone in, and of course, ang aking favorite, the audio jack. On the other side, we have our power button and of course, our volume rocker. On top, it's the SIM tray, and on the other side, it's pretty clean. Plastic ang kanyang finish, pero hindi naman siya yung feeling na plasticky na plasticky. Tama lang, okay naman ang hawak ko dito, ang grip. So, susundot ko lang to para makita natin kung what to expect dito sa kanyang SIM slot. So, we have a triple card slot, which is very welcoming to many of us. Of course, we can use 2 nano SIM plus isang micro SD na expansion. So while we're booting up, tingnan natin kung what's inside the box. Further unboxing, we have a quick start guide, a warranty card, a SIM ejector tool, a Type-C cable, and a 10 watts charger. And wala siyang headset, so wag nyo na hanapin kasi wala talaga. Putting everything aside, i-set up lang natin tong phone na ito. So, pagsimula, of course, syempre, start. By default magaling siya, nabasa niya na sa Pilipinas ako. So, next. Scroll down na kayo to the bottom and click agree kahit hindi ka nag-agree. Next. Scroll mo na rin to all the way to the bottom. Sabihin mo na, I have read kahit hindi mo pa binabasa. Ito, scroll mo rin all the way to the bottom and para ma-activate ang iyong warranty. Now, itong send usage and diagnostic information, nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyo i-share ang yung data or not. Dahil may iba sa atin siguro mas sela ng data. So, ako okay lang. Agree. So, right now, connect lang kayo sa inyong Wi-Fi sa bahay. Ipasok ang iyong password. Connect. So, this will take a while. So, itong next scene na makikita natin. So, if you're using this as a new phone, don't copy. But if you're transferring files from a older phone, click next. Ako, don't copy. Now, pwede ka mag-sign in na sa inyong Google account. Ako, I'll skip it for now. Accept nyo lang to. And of course, you can set your security measures kung screen lock or face unlock. I'll skip it. So, nasa sa inyo na kung gusto nyo install mga app na to or not. Depende sa inyong kagustuhan. So, you can skip it or you can freely install it. Now, you have 2 choices dito. Either you go for the 3-button navigation or you go for the gesture navigation. Siyempre, mas okay for me ang gesture. So, use now dahil tapos na ang ating setup. So, there's an update apparently after ko mag-open. So, for this demonstration purpose, I'll remind me later. Now, if you don't want to use your Google Play Store, you can always use the V-App Store dahil hindi mo kailangang mag-sign up or mag-sign in. And it's very easy to use dahil all of your favorite apps is being hosted dito sa V-App Store na ito. So, you can download TikTok, GCash, Mobile Legends Bang Bang, Lazada, Shopee, and other apps na paborito ninyo. Now, let me share you my first impression about this phone. Taking a quick look dito sa phone nito, very flat ang design sa gilid. And it's probably the trendy thing going on right now. Ang mga flat ang likod, flat ang sides. It looks simply almost like an iPhone. And okay, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang design. I really like it. There is two colors available for the Y02s for you to choose. Either go for the black or the blue. And feel ko guys, mas maganda ang blue dahil mas trendy. Or you can always go for the more conventional na color black. Now, tinry naman natin mag-swipe left and right. Okay, nag-respond siya na mabilis. Hindi naman siya naiiwan. Considering it's a budget price point, sometimes some other phones naiiwan. But this one, for me, okay naman siya. Sumasabay naman siya. Now, one of the first thing na tinitingnan ko sa isang phone is how good it is to scroll on social media. Be it sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Twitter, sa Instagram. This one, tinry natin sa TikTok. And it's of course the first time that I've tried it on this phone. And itong phone nito having a 6.51-inch na HD Plus na display. And I can say na scrolling on social media dito sa phone na ito is smooth. And scrolling on social media dito sa phone na ito, watching some videos is smooth. I can say it's good and okay naman ang kanyang display. Another thing to consider dito sa phone na ito out of the box, I can say it's pretty lightweight. Ayaw yung mga phones na sobrang bigat na mahirap dalhin sa pocket. And this one, I can easily put this inside my pocket. Lalo na uso ngayon sa mga slim tight jeans. So, I can say na it's really easy to put it on my rear pocket. You can easily set it to dark theme or light theme dito sa drop-down menu. Pipindutin mo lang and mag-iiba na siya. So, there are other options dito na pwede nyo kalikutin. Battery saver mode, ultra game mode, eye protection, flashlight, and other things to kalikot dito sa phone na ito. Ako, I always highly suggest that you always turn on the adaptive brightness para mako-auto-calibrate siya na brightness. So, bibigay lang niya mas bright sa'yo pag kailangan mo. And pag hindi mo kailangan, mas babaan yung brightness, letting you save more battery in the process. Itong phone na ito is packed with a 5,000 mAh of battery. I know it's an industry standard and most likely, it can last you through the day without charging on normal usage. But malalaman natin more about the details, gaano siya ka-okay, ang battery na gaano katagal-tatagal on my full review. And another thing na okay dito is Type-C na kanyang charging port and nandyan ang kanyang audio jack. Currently, itong phone na ito is running on Android 12 with FunTouch OS 12. Now guys, I know na gusto nyo to know more about this phone sa kanyang gaming, sa kanyang camera. Malalaman natin all about those in my full review. But as of now, you can buy this phone for $6,499. I'll be posting everything on the description box below. Guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong phone na ito, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag once na in-upload ko ang full review nitong Vivo Y02s. I hope you enjoyed this video, and ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!